Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the first American bank app to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. The first American bank personal app allows users to manage their accounts conveniently on the go. It includes features like viewing balance, monitoring transactions, transferring money, deposit checks through mobile capture, and paying bills. The app also integrates with Zelle for peer-to-person payment with support customizable alert for account activities with security options such as biometric login and two-factor authentication. It also provides a safe and reliable mobile banking experience for both iOS user and Android user. However, some users report issues with bill pay flexibility, as changing payment date or payments can be inconvenient. Others mention occasional bugs after update or compatibility problem on older devices that no longer support the fastest operating system. So in conclusion, the app still worth using if you want a secure everyday mobile banking with modern features, but not ideal if you rely heavily on flexible bills pay option or use and hold out devices. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.